All right, today we're working on this car right here. Nice pale color, looking clean already, but don't be fooled. This is where most people mess up. Because right now this is just base coat. If you mess up the clear coat, you can destroy everything in seconds. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to spray clear coat like a pro, even if you're a beginner. No runs, no orange GDK, just that clean glass finish. And yeah, I've already seen people turn a job like this into a disaster, so let's not be that guy. This is the part where most people stop and stare, because when you do it right, it just pops. No runs, no orange peel, just smooth, glossy perfection. And trust me, once you see this on your own car, you'll never settle for a dull finish again. Stick around because I'm going to break down exactly how we got this flawless shine, step by step. All right, here we go. First coat of clear going on, and this is where the magic happens. Now don't just spray like you're watering your garden. This is an art, not a chore. Keep your gun moving nice and steady, no stops. Because if you linger, you'll get runs faster than I get hungry on a Monday. See how I'm overlapping each pass? That's key. No gaps, no streaks, no oops moments later. And yeah, I know, it looks a little wet and shiny now, but that's exactly what we want. Think of it like icing a cake, except if you mess up, you can't just scrape it off and start over. Air pressure, distance, angle, all these little things matter. Too close and you flood it, too far and you dry spray, and that's just sad. So take your time, watch your edges, keep it smooth, and you'll be amazed at how it levels out by itself. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're not just gonna see a shiny car, you're gonna see a mirror so clean, you might check yourself in it. And trust me, I'll show you all the tips that make this look like a pro did it, even if you're just starting out. All right, first coat is on. Now we're in the flash off stage. Don't blink, because this part is where patience pays off. You want it to start drying just enough so the next coat doesn't pull it. Think of it like letting toast cool before you butter it. Otherwise, everything gets messy. Use this time to check your edges, make sure there are no runs hiding, and admire that glossy, wet look. I mean, come on, it already looks tempting, right? This little pause might feel like forever, but it's what separates the amateurs from the pros. Stick around because after this, we're hitting it with the next coat, and that's when the real shine starts popping. All right, here we go. The second coat of clear, and this is where the magic really starts. Now remember, first coat laid the foundation, but second coat? This is where we turn pretty good into mirror-level perfection. Keep that spray gun moving smooth, steady, don't linger. You're not painting a fence here, you're giving this pale beauty a glossy glow that'll make people stop in traffic. Overlap each pass just like before, but now pay extra attention to edges and corners. These little spots love to hide tiny runs if you're not careful. See that wet shine already? That's what we want. And if it looks a bit thick in some spots, don't panic. It levels out as it flashes off. Think of it like laying down a blanket over a bed. Smooth it out, no wrinkles, and it looks like a pro did it, even if it's your first time. Air pressure, distance, angle, all these little details matter. Too close and you flood it, too far and you get dry spray. And trust me, dry spray is the enemy of glass finishes. Keep a nice rhythm, take your time, enjoy the process, and watch as that pale color transforms into a reflective, glossy masterpiece. Stick with me, because after this coat, we're not just done, we're talking final reveal. That shine you're seeing right now, it's only getting better. All right, second coat is down, now we're in the flash off stage. Don't rush this part. It's like letting a fine wine breathe or letting cookies cool before you bite. Patience pays off. Check the surface while it's drying. Edges, corners, anywhere a run might try to sneak in. Look at that shine already. It's getting that glassy, mirror-like vibe we're aiming for. Use this time to admire your work. Make small mental notes for the next steps. And remember, A smooth flash off now means a flawless finish later. Stick around because after this, we're hitting the final reveal, and you're about to see why proper technique turns a simple clear coat into pure magic. All right, third coat going on, and this is where everything really starts to pop. Now, if you thought the second coat was shiny, buckle up. This one's going to take that pale color to a mirror-level finish. Keep that spray gun moving smooth and steady. Remember, this isn't a race. Overlap each pass carefully, and don't linger too long in one spot unless you want runs trying to ruin your day. Corners and edges are still tricky, so pay attention there. They love to hide little mistakes. Look at that shine, already starting to reflect light like glass. And if you see some areas looking a bit heavy, don't panic. Third coat is all about depth and gloss. Think of it like layering frosting on a cake. Each layer adds more smoothness and perfection. Air pressure, gun angle, distance. Keep those consistent. Too close and you flood it, too far and you get dry spray. Find that sweet spot and the clear coat will level itself beautifully. Stick with me because after this coat flashes off, we're heading straight into the final reveal, and I promise, the reflection on this pale beauty is going to blow your mind. All right, third coat is down. Now we're in the flash off stage. Just 20 seconds to let this shine settle. Look at that gloss already. It's starting to reflect like a mirror. Don't rush it. This short pause is what makes the difference between nice and jaw-dropping perfection. Stick around because after this we're hitting the final reveal, and you're about to see this pale beauty shine like never before.
Shadows on the wall, they echo what we do. Every step is closer, I can't pull away from you. You're the kind of fire that I know will burn me down, but I'm reaching for the flame, I wanna feel it